In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your drone up and get it ready to fly. To begin, we need to turn both the drone and the controller on. Once you've done so, you'll notice that both the drone and the controller have blinking lights. This means they need to be paired. To pair them, simply press up once on the left-hand throttle on the controller and then down the left-hand throttle. You're going to hear a beep the first time and a slightly longer beep the second time. Once this is done, you'll notice that the lights on both the drone and the controller have stopped blinking. This means we're ready to connect to the Wi-Fi. From our smartphone, open our Wi-Fi setting. Once you've done this, you can open the app, which you can download using the QR code in the instruction manual, and press play. This will bring up an image of whatever the drone is seeing. For added safety, you have the option of attaching prop guards to your drone, both to protect the props from hitting you, others, or obstacles. Another important thing to know is how to recalibrate your drone's gyro. You're going to need to do this after crashes, rough handling, or if you notice that your drone is drifting when it should be hovering. To do this, we're going to place the drone on a flat surface, and then we're going to pair it to the controller. You're going to hear a beep, and the red light on the back of the drone is going to begin blinking. When the light goes steady red, your drone is recalibrated. It's also very important that you only use your drone in wide open spaces and in little to no wind conditions. This is for the safety of you, others, and your drone. Have a good day.